In this problem, what they given now, a point source of light is placed at the bottom of a water lake. A point source is placed at the bottom of a water lake. Consider this is the point source at the bottom of water lake. If the area of the illuminated circle is given as a equal to 3 times the square of the depth. So here this is the depth of the lake. Let us call this is H. Then here we have the illumination. We have the circle of illumination is formed here like this. And this region appears to be a bright. And here this is called as radius, that is R. And so might be seen this is the critical angle now. Critical angle theta C. Yeah, you can tell me now here. And we can get the relation between the depth and radius by using tan. So that is tan theta C, which is equal to R by H. Then R is equal to H tan theta C. R is, we got it as H tan theta C. Now, from this, we can get what is saying now, area. Area formula, area, which is given as what you tell me now, 3 times the square of the depth. So, area pi r square, which is equal to 3 into H square. Now tell me now here this is pi into r value, H square into tan square. Tan square theta C, which is equal to 3H square. Isn't it? They ask him to find a refractive index, they ask him to find. Fine. So then H square will get cancelled. From this, we can get the tan theta C. How much now? Tan theta C, which is equal to square root of 3 by pi. Isn't it? Now theta C is the critical angle. What is the critical angle formula? Theta C, which is equal, yes, sine inverse of what, tell me? Mu R by mu D. And so medium 1 is air, medium 2 is some water medium. We have to find the refractive index. So theta C, which I can write it as what, tell me now, sine inverse of 1 by mu. So that means we'll get it as sine theta C, which is equal to 1 by mu, right? We got the sine theta C. Sine theta we have. From this, can I get the tan theta from the triangle property? This angle is theta C. So sine means what, tell me now? Opposite by hypotenuse na. So then this is how much now? Mu square minus 1. From this, we can get that tan theta C now. How much the tan theta C now? From the triangle, which is equal to 1 by square root of mu square minus 1. And this value equal to this much now. Right. So this value, which we can say now, square root of 3 by pi, which is equal to 1 by square root of mu square minus 1. So what we can do, let's square and simplify it. Squaring on both sides, then it is 3 by pi, which is equal to 1 by mu square minus 1. Then it is equal to mu square minus 1, which is equal to pi by 3 na cross multiply. Then mu square, which is equal to 1 plus pi by 3. So mu is equal to how much now? Square root of 1 plus pi by 3. Okay. So option, second option.